All right, so we're going to be setting up the timer today. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the right time. And by setting the right time is you hold this clock button down. So you got to hold this down whenever you mess with the minutes, hours, or days when you're setting it. First thing we're going to do is just get the hour. And we got to go all the way to 1 p.m. And then we'll do the minute, 1:20. And then we'll do the day. Today is Thursday. So there you go, that sets our time. Next thing to do is to program it. So you're gonna hit this program button right here. So you hit that, and your first setting is always gonna be your on setting. This is when your timer is gonna kick your pump on first. So what we wanna do here is we do it at 9 a.m., noon, and then 4 p.m. So for the first setting, we're just gonna set this to 9. And what you really wanna make sure is that you're on the right time, AM or PM, and then make sure that all the days are on there. For some reason it's not on there already, you just hit this day button and it's going to take you through a bunch of settings to when you would feed your garden. And you just want to make sure we get all 7 days. There we go. The next setting is your first off setting. We only want to water our garden for about a minute on the tower systems. If you have a smart garden, maybe we'll probably recommend 2 minutes or 3 minutes. But it's the same thing, you just hit this hour button until you get to 9, and then you would just hit the minute button one time and then go to your next setting. So now we're on 2 on, this is our second watering time. We're gonna take this to noon, and be sure that it's 12 p.m., not 12 a.m. We've seen that mistake in the past. And then we'll just hit program again, go right to noon, and then for 1 minute. And then now this is our third setting, which is 4 p.m. And then program button again. And then we'll hit that for off button. And that's it. This has about 20 settings that you could do. I don't think that you'll ever use all of those, but if it's hot in the summer, or for right now, when I'm filming this is spring, it's getting pretty hot, you can add a 4th time to your timer. We recommend doing that around 2 p.m. So you can hit this clock button to go back, or if you let it sit, it'll go back automatically. The only other thing that we need to cover is your on and off button. So right now it's just on off. If you hit this, it's gonna go to off auto. This is what we want it on at all times. So when you're walking by your garden, just make sure that it's on off auto. You can hit it again and it will just go on. It's gonna turn your pump on. And it's not gonna go off, it's gonna stay on until you manually turn it off. You can do this if you wanna show your friends how it works, or if you just think that your plants maybe just need another feeding time or whatever, you can do that. What we never want is on auto, because then this is gonna run until the next feeding time entirely. So we just want to switch it back to off auto, and that's about it. There's a reset button here if you mess up, or if you just want to completely reset it, you can do that. And there you have it.